Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Kensington Pro Fit 2.4 GHZ wireless desktop set. That's a picture of it. My other one is just, if you can hear them, all really loud, and the mouse is completely different from the keyboard. That's the receiver for the mouse. That is for the keyboard. My keyboard originally came with a mouse, but that broke. Yeah. So here, let's get to this unboxing. So I don't have an angle for this camera, so I'm just gonna put it down for a second. I'm just gonna open it right here. The back has different specs on it. Yeah, one second. Alright, full-size keyboard with added comfort, office-friendly 2.4 GHZ technology for less interface. And then these are just different languages. Another same picture, I guess. Alright. Me right here. Okay. Right there. Okay, just cut these off, these stickers. Okay. Okay, open this. Let me see if I'm zoomed in. No, okay, so can I open it? Alright, here it is. So, got the keyboard. Got a manual that's stuck to the back here through some, I don't even know what that is. Tape, I guess. I don't even know. Camera isn't zooming in that well. My brand new camera that I just got. Alright, so I guess it comes with batteries, warranty, keyboard, and a mouse. Guess it's just the guide, the manual. Right, so let me get the keyboard out. Okay, and I guess these are all the accessories. Sorry for all my sniffling, I'm a little sick. It is 10:32 right now. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. Alright, so I have my batteries. Gonna get my knife. Sorry for the camera angle. So right here. Okay, just getting my knife. I don't know why it zoomed in. Gotta get this in. Come on. Alright. Just gonna put the batteries in that later. Okay, so it comes with how many sets of batteries? 2. Alright, double A's, a set of 2 double A's, and then triple A's. Whoops. Alright. I'll put the batteries aside. This is my second unboxing. My second unboxing video. I haven't put my first video up yet. Still working on editing. Alright, this looks to be the USB for, I don't know, it might be both. Got a little button on it. Put that to the side. Is there anything else in this? Doesn't look like it. Nope, tore that up. Then nothing. Alright, so that is my unboxing, and wow, this is really quiet. Let me do a comparison right now. Wow, I love this. This is so quiet. Perfect size, perfect easy typing. I could easily type on this now. And with my new TV that I got, now I can use that as my monitor, wirelessly, in my bed, just chill. Volume, as you see, you got mute, play, stop, rewind, fast forward, home, refresh, backward, forward, mail, search, calculator. Over here, I have the, I think that's probably the sensor. Little battery sign. Alright, on the back, there is, okay, got a little, elevation key, connect button. That's even like, you have the specs here. Kensington Profit, yeah. Now, right here, another elevation key. Alright, I'm gonna hook this up and start using it. Oh wait, I forgot about the mouse. Okay, here's the mouse. Got a scroll bar, double click. On the side we have also a few clicks. And that's really about it for the mouse. Doesn't really, not much to a mouse. Sorry about the terrible lighting also. I'm gonna add lighting to this video. I don't know what that is. That's just a, this thing. Alright, so this has been my unboxing of the Kensington 2.4 Pro 2.4 wireless keyboard and mouse. So I'll see you guys next time with another tutorial review or unboxing. I will be reviewing this keyboard soon, doing a review on this camera. I'm still getting the hang of it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Please have a nice day.